Hi guys, hello everyone! So during our today's class we're gonna paint those lovely watermelon slices of watermelon in watercolor style, and I want to show you that this is extremely simple. And I also gonna use my new watercolor brush set that I created recently. If you have your own watercolor brushes, please use your own, it's fine. Or you can even use native Procreate brushes. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's go and let's paint all together. Okay, we're gonna go and grab Blue Colorful Opal. This brush is pretty cool because every stroke you make, you see it will give you a little bit different shade. And it's right what we need for our watermelon, actually. So let's start. And once again, if you want to add different shades, color variations, just simply start your painting from a new stroke. Now let's go to another watermelon. And don't worry, later we will blend all parts. So if you overlap with some other colors, it's fine, completely fine. This brush is right for such occasions where you need to grab pretty similar shades but not exactly the same one. We need to lower the opacity of our sketching layer, like that, because we need to clearly see what we are painting. And the last slice of watermelon here. Now let's go and grab something between like nearly white color, but still it has some shades. Lower the opacity, lower the size, not the opacity. And also here you might start tapping, adding different strokes, and it also will help you to add different color variations to the slice of your watermelon. And the last piece. Like that. Okay, pretty. Now next part is I want to add background to our watermelon, but before we start doing that, we need to make our watermelon not transparent. I like the saturation, so I will keep it that way. After that I will duplicate it one more time. Go to lower layer, press adjustment, hue, saturation, brightness, and turn our brightness to maximum to white color. Duplicate it, merge together, duplicate, merge together, and merge together. Now we have one layer. After that we create one more layer that is underneath. We will go and grab bright green color. And next grab Bush Sharp and Soft Diamond. I like this brush because it can help us to create like a background pretty easy, thanks to the shape of brush. Here, like that. Now I want to show shades in this area, so in this way, go grab selection tool, grab freehand, like that, and press add. And the same here, add. Use saturation brightness layer and lower the brightness. You see it's increase the saturation. Well, cool, we already have our shades. Can lower the opacity even more, like this. And next part, I'm on my layer where we have our watermelons, and you see this part of watermelon I want to make darker. Do same freehand. Add. One feather that, use saturation brightness, lower brightness, like this. Okay, we already have some part of our watermelon. Our next part is, I want to make this part also a little bit colorful. Add. Feather. 15% hue, saturation and brightness. Okay, I changed the color a little bit. And I will grab Sapphire Splash Blender. So next part is I want to add some shades, and in this way I will create one more layer, press clip and mask. Now I'm gonna use my stamp brushes. So red color, pretty bright one. Watercolor stamp 9. Create one more layer. The stamp 2, watercolor stamp 8. Like that. Now we can turn off our sketching layer. And almost done, guys. Final detail, we need to add some tiny details to Bull Sharp Amethyst. One more layer. Bull Colorful Opal. Lighter color. So, and we need to add tiny bit of shades around our seeds, obviously. Like that, guys, and our watermelon is ready. Now we don't need our reference picture anymore, so we'll turn it off. And ta-da! I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial, and now you know how to paint lovely watermelon. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and I will look forward to see you next time in my new video. And guys, if you want to share your artworks with me, you can simply tag me on Instagram, and I will be happy to give my feedback about your paintings. Bye bye!